Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be working with Megalook hair. They sent me a 360 lace wig in the texture Yaki Straight. So first off, I'm going to start by showing you how I take off the adjustable strap that comes at the back of 360 lace wigs. So obviously if you want to keep your 360 lace wig glueless, then obviously keep this on, or if you don't intend on doing that and you intend on gluing it or using an adhesive to stick it to the back of your hair, we're going to use a blade to take it off. I use a blade because it's very thin and the thread that they use to sew on the adjustable strap is very thin, so you need to be like very delicate, otherwise you create like a lot of holes. I think right there I've just created a hole, but it's fine, it's fine. Just make sure you're going really nice and slow. I think I've sped up the clip just by a speed of 2, but when you're doing it, just take your time. You can also use an eyebrow razor as well, but just make sure that you're taking your time and doing that. So we're just going to do that and then I'll show you the next step. Right, so now the adjustable straps have all been taken off, as well as the extra ones. I'm just going to apply bleach. If you want a detailed video on how I bleach my knots, I'm going to link it up now and leave it in the description box. Like, it's nothing too fancy. So we're bleaching the back of the frontal as well as the front. Like, we need to treat the back of the 360 the same as you would the front if you want a more natural look, as the back of the 360 comes quite dense, so you're going to need to customize it to make it look realistic. That being said, you're also going to need to pluck as well. I really want to focus this video on just showing you how I make the back of my 360s more realistic. It's like not too in depth because I didn't want it to be too overwhelming. So I'm just showing you guys how I pluck. I also have a video which I'm going to link up now, which is more detailed, which I actually uploaded recently to help you guys out. Just remember to pluck the back as well as the front of the front wall. Also not going too hard on the back and more in the front, but yeah. So after I finished doing all the customizations, I'm now going to use a wax stick. Guys, this is just a generic wax stick. You can use any wax stick, it does not matter. And I'm just going to go all around the circumference of the 360 lace front wall. This is just to help all the hairs go in one direction and just slick it where I need it to be, because you need uniformity. Because if it's a mess, listen, the front wall, the install is going to be a mess. And then I'm going to hot comb all of that to really press out the roots, and yeah, pretty much. So now I'm just gonna place it on the mannequin head, just to show you guys what we're working with. So I feel like it now looks much more natural. It's much more easier to work with. When you install it, it will look much better. So I'm going in again and pressing it out on the mannequin head. I mean, the more you press it out, the better. This hair is very, very thick, okay? It mimics, I would say, African American black people hair. If your hair was like relaxed or blown out, I really, really do like the texture. But yeah, look at this. And this is, I think this is the front of it. I'm gonna show you guys the back, I believe. No, this is the front and this is the back. Look how natural the back looks. I feel like the back looks really great. I did a really good job, if I do say so myself. Yeah, I have another video of me installing the wig. I hope you guys check it out, and yeah, leave your comments down below. I hope this has given you a good insight into what it is that I do to, you know, prep my wigs for installation.